Welcome to LectureSource. Thanks for reviewing resources for us. To begin, enter a keyword or use the drop-down menu to select a discipline and course area. From the search results, click on a resource you want to preview. You can view the description and any student learning outcomes, as well as additional images. When you're ready, click Buy Now under Purchase. The page will refresh and you will be able to download the resource so that you may view and review the entire document. When you're finished, go back to the resource page and give it a star rating. In the box, type a review, then click Leave Review to save it. Here's an example. If you click on My Profile, you will be able to see all of your purchases as well as all of your reviews. Thanks for your help.